Well, what was supposed to be a simple swap out a replacement head for an old head turned into an adventure, since I could not get my hands down into where the fitting was to replace a feed line. So I had to do what I really didn't want to do, but in doing so, I'm probably doing a better job all the way around. But let's look at it. Yes, what every mechanic loves to see. Well, 2 out of 6 snapped. They were a booger. But for this John Deere V, to remove the front rails, you got 1 on each side, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 underneath. So, okay, I got the front fan bracket released, and I've managed to break it loose back here. I'm not sure how much clearance I've got to go forward with it, but in order to get this rails, I'll have to drop them enough to clear the amount of bolts that's still up in the slots there, because I snapped them off. Once I do that, then this whole piece should roll forward. And with a mighty pop, it dropped, caught by the splitting stand, and the other is holding up underneath. Whenever I get this head out of the way, I can put a more durable jack under there, which it needs badly. Anyway, we're this far. Let's see how much farther we can get. This will give a testament that this rail frames have not been off since the tractor has built at the factory, in my mind, which means the head has not been off. And now next step I've got, so I'm going to take the head off. So, doing things that haven't been done since 1946. Here's a free nail for somebody.